Hi, good morning. I am Kafri and this channel is about hula hooping. In this video I would like to guide you through a gentle awakening and warming up hula hoop morning routine. So grab your hoop and let's give it a go. Once you have your hoop ready, grab it more or less in the middle, on the level of your hips, and drop it down. Feel like you are extending the arms, dropping the shoulders down, the elbows, the wrists, all the hands go down like the hoop is super heavy and weighted and it's pulling you down towards the ground, while at the same moment extending your core and your body and lifting your head towards the ceiling or the sky, wherever you are, okay? And feel this nice extension while dropping the shoulders and all the arms down. Hi, Joha. Okay, so let's continue with this nice stretch, breathing in and breathing out. Take one deep breath in. And breathe out. And while breathing out, drop the hoop even more down. Lift the head up. Breathing in and drop the hoop down. Breathing out. Alright, now let's lift the hoop up with another breathing. And drop it down as possible, breathing out. All right, let's lift it even more up. Now follow with the arms, lift the shoulder blades, everything, like you would like to touch the ceiling and drop it down. Okay, now without lifting the shoulders, try to lift the hoop up. Breathing in and bend it to one side so that one hand stands straight above your head and try to lift this hand towards the ceiling as high as possible and drop it down. Switch the sides and try with the other hand, lifting it up as much as possible. Breathing in and dropping it down. Okay, let's go back to the center and let's do a little bend. Rather than bending with your whole body, try to crunch in the waist. Okay, so we will be dropping the body down to one side, breathing out. Okay, breathe in, let's go up and breathe out to the other side. Okay, either if it's only up till here, it's okay. You don't have to bend. We are not stretching like super extensions, but we are just awakening our body. Drop the hoop down, breathe out. Okay. Before we will go into spinning around our waist and the cardio exercises, let's bring a little more awakening and length into our body. So let's gently follow the hoop without any speed. Just follow until you can. Maybe you want to bend one leg, okay? And just follow the hoop, making a twist with your body, okay? Then go back to the center, follow it to the other side. Without dynamic moves, your body is still a little sleepy, so give it a gentle awakening. It's rather about lengthening the parts, the sides of your body, than stretching them or making them some super exercises mode. Alright, so let's just do these few twists in here. Follow your hoop. Alright, now let's lift the hoop again up above our head and let's make a little twist in here. Go back to the front and twist to the other side. Remember, in these twists, never maintain your knees stiff and straight, okay? Because you will bring them a lot of harm. Rather slightly bent. Okay, let's move into the spinning. Now, rather warmed up and feeling the length and strength in our body, let's place the hoop on the lower back, and before giving it a spin, do yourself a little massage, okay? So just place the hoop on the lower back and move it to one side and to the other. You can even walk with your legs, okay? So just massage the zone of your lower back. Maybe you want to go a little down towards your hips and give it a little massage in here, okay? So let's just awaken the lower back. All right, let's go back to the center. Maybe you want to go onto your lower ribs, on your solar plexus. All right. Maybe you want to go even more around your body, touching the belly zone. Okay, we will enter the spins. However, I would like to ask you not to go into a super stiff fitness mode. Let's go for a spin. No, we are here to awaken ourselves. So slightly bend your knees. Feel this fluidity in your body, okay? Rather than tension and focus, try to stay as calm and as fluid as possible. Let's begin the spin on our waist and make a little steps while doing this, okay? So we are going into the spin, but not putting so much focus and tension into the zone of our belly. Let's do the steps to the front and to the back. All right, to the front and to the back. Okay, to feel even more comfortable, let's pay the attention and place the focus into our hands and arms. Okay, let's just move them a little, make them flexible, let them flow around our body on the level of our chest, of our shoulders. Let's open the chest and close it again. Open the chest and close it again. All right, maybe let's try to go with the hands above our head. Okay, making this fluid, non-tension movements with our hands, okay? Again, above our head, and let's go down. All right, to bring balance, let's catch, break, and change direction. And again, make a little steps, a little moving in here. Go to the front, go to the back. Don't let it drop. If it drops, it's okay. You know, we are just about give ourselves some nutrition, some awakening. So if it drops, it drops. It's not a competition, okay? All right, now let's go with the hands. Let's go with the fluid hands. Let's move them around our body, okay? On the level of your chest. And let's start moving up. Maybe to one side and the other. Use your imagination, be creative about this. All right, let's go up and down, catch, break, and change direction. Okay, let's awaken the body a little. So let's make these little steps and slightly twist the body. So we are twisting a little to the right and to the left. Okay, feeling the blood flowing around our body. The juices are awakened. All right, let's stop in here, catch, break, change direction, and try the same exercise, spinning to the other direction, okay? So we're going to one side and the other. Ooh. Catch, break, and change direction. Spinning to the other direction, as you can see, even in my case, it's quite a challenging stuff, as our brain is used to go the intuitive way, which is, of course, always easier. But challenge yourself and go both ways to bring balance and the equal development of your muscles while hula hooping, okay? Now let's follow the hoop. Let's make a few steps. If you're in a small space, not super big, then just turn around, following the direction of the spin of your hoop, okay? If you have a bigger space, okay, I wanted to go the other direction, but first, let's change the direction and let's follow the hoop. If you have a bigger space and you can allow yourself to catch, break, change direction, to walk around then do so, okay? Take a few steps around your room. Follow your hoop. Okay. Make a turn. Don't bring tension, rather awakening and fluidity into your body. All right, let's change the direction. So, catch, break, turn the other way. And let's follow the hoop. Either it is only turning around yourself or walking around your room. Just give yourself this freedom in movement and fluidity in your body and drop. All right. Anyway, we are about to go to the last exercise. So grab your hoop, give it a spin again. Remembering about the arms, let's repeat the last exercise. So we are walking around our space, losing the focus on the tension of our body, rather moving it into the other parts of our body. So we are going here more freely, releasing the tension of the belly to maintain the movement stiff and fast, rather moving around. So use what you have, use your imagination to move around your space and dance a little with your hoop. Let's catch, break, and change direction. If you don't know how to do this movement, check out the description. You have a full tutorial on how to perform a catch, break, change direction. Catch, break, change direction. Okay, let's calm down a little bit. All right, so again, let's go back into breathing. We've worked a little in here. We made the blood flowing a little faster in our body. So let's take a few calming down, nice deep breathe in and breathe out, okay? Drop the shoulders down, following the direction of the weight of your hoop. Lift the head up, and drop it down again. Lift the hands up, follow the hoop, and drop it down. All right. Now lift the hands up again, breathing in, and go to the front, to the side, to the back, to the other side, and stop in the center. Let's go the other way around. Feel the length in your body. Let's change the direction of the movement. Don't forget about breathing in and breathing out. We want to bring air into our bodies, okay? Last one, so let's go this way and the other way. Okay, stay in the front and try to transfer the hoop above your head towards the back as far as you can go. If it's up till here, then it's okay, all right? If you can go any farther, then go. Follow your hoop even down below your bum, all right? And then go back up and go back to the front. Go above your head and place the hoop back again on the level of your hips, all right? Nice work. I hope you are really warm, nice, awakened, and gently moved by this morning hula hoop routine. To finish our morning session, I would like to give you a few hints and tips on how to use it in the future. Use your imagination. This is the key, okay? Maybe you don't feel like taking a video, watching video every time you wake up and you need the morning routine, okay? So maybe just grab the elements that you like the most. Remember about not bringing too much tension in your body, rather awakening, lengthening it, okay? Just bringing air, increasing the blood flow and make the juices flowing around your body, okay? This was this session's purpose, okay? Maybe it was too intense due to its length for you, so maybe just grab a part of it, but always remember about a little warm-up, then maybe more intense cardio session, and a cool down, okay? Never skip any part of it, as it will bring you harm and unwanted effects, okay? So use it as you like. Maybe you want to take some exercises longer, maybe shorter, maybe you want to take just a part of it. Feel free to use it at your own pace and create your own morning routine. And if you would like to achieve better skills and improve your hula hoop workout, then I invite you to visit my website. All the links are in the description below, but generally it's kafri.tv, like the channel's name. And you can find online courses, you can find the blog section, all the guidance through the free tutorials gathered in a library. So definitely jump and check it out. Subscribe to my newsletter to get the notifications about all the upcoming events, like the new courses, promo sales, etc. Okay, everyone likes it. And subscribe to this channel, leave me some sign of your presence here. If you liked it, leave me a comment and maybe show me a guideline. Give me some hints about how to continue with my hooping channel. What would you like to see in here? What are the videos mostly interesting for you? Is it more about tricks, hoop dance, hoop workouts? Leave me a sign of your presence here. Okay, it was a pleasure. Have a nice day.